An Indianapolis-based company called ARAI partnered with Skye, India's leading hyperlocal drone delivery platform, to accelerate drone delivery in India. The partnership aims to scale secure, automated delivery solutions across the country by co-developing and installing secure mailboxes called ARAI points. These points are designed to receive shipments from drones, autonomous vehicles, and robots, ensuring secure and efficient delivery. Skye currently makes around 6,000 deliveries daily in Gurugram, India, with its drones capable of handling parcels weighing up to 110 pounds. The partnership plans to deploy 500 ARAI points across Skye service areas, targeting a New Delhi population exceeding 33 million. Initially, 60 units will be placed in Gurugram, followed by expansion to other cities. ARAI's founder and CEO, Dan O'Toole, believes the partnership will showcase the transformative power of ARAI's technology, particularly in a densely populated country like India with favorable drone delivery policies. O'Toole emphasizes that ARAI's technology provides a universally trusted custody layer for autonomous logistics, crucial for India's rapidly growing e-commerce market. Ankit Kumar, Skye's founder and CEO, highlights the importance of infrastructure in scaling drone delivery and believes the partnership will enable Skye to dominate infrastructure access points. Skye already delivers around 200,000 packages monthly in one city and plans to expand to new cities like Bengaluru. The partnership also focuses on sustainable delivery, with each drone delivery reducing carbon emissions by 520 grams compared to traditional methods. This translates to over 2.6 metric tons of carbon dioxide saved monthly. ARAI expects to deliver ARAI points to Skye within 2025 and plans to add 40 roles to its workforce in the next 60 days. ARAI's technology has industry-first patents, underscoring its evolution from a smart mailbox to a comprehensive autonomous delivery network and platform company. The company's ARAI points offer a significantly elevated level of security compared to current delivery points, establishing a crucial trusted custody layer for real-world networks and asynchronous access. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.